Let's bake a perfect indulgent blueberry cake that is so easy to make. First, whip some butter with sugar until it is light yellow and fluffy. By the way, this cake will be on a denser side, more like a pound cake. Once the butter is done, prepare the baking pan. Line the bottom with parchment paper and grease the walls with butter, and then dust them with flour to create a non-stick coating. Remove the excess flour and the baking pan is ready. Mix the dry ingredients, flour, salt, baking powder and cinnamon. Whisk them together so they are evenly combined. Also, you will need a crumble. It's really easy to make, just mix flour, sugar, melted butter, make sure that it's not hot, and some cinnamon. Here I have a bigger portion to freeze half of it for later use. To the butter, add 1 egg, mix it, then add another egg and mix it too. Then add warm milk and mix again. Add the dry ingredients and mix just until combined. Do not overmix the batter, otherwise it will start developing gluten and will result in a dense texture. Fold in half of the blueberries and transfer the batter into the baking pan. Then you will need to add the streusel. To be honest, it's kind of weird for me to pronounce it this way. I learned German, so a more natural way for me to say this word would be Streusel, but let's say Streusel. Add half of it on top of the cake, then the rest of the blueberries, and then some more Streusel on top. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour, or until the toothpick comes out clean. By the way, if you enjoy the video, please give it a like, it will really help me grow the channel. Once the cake has cooled down, remove it from the baking pan and remove the parchment paper at the bottom. Optionally, you can sprinkle some powdered sugar on top and serve the cake just plain or with whipped cream or with jam, or I think butter will be really good with it.